Hello, children. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your places. As you all are familiar with a word is a formation of several letters. Same with sentences, a sentence is a formation of several words. And these sentences include different parts of speech. Out of these parts of speech, today we are going to talk and learn about nouns. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. So here are a few examples of person, place, animal and thing. Person, boy, girl, baby. Place, house, school, park. Animal, cat, dog, pig, lion. Things, sun, car, pencil, chair. Thus we can say all the naming words are called nouns. There are 5 different kinds of nouns. First, we will discuss about proper noun and common noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. It always begins with a capital letter. Whereas a common noun is name for something which is common for many person, place, animal or thing. Let us differentiate between common noun and proper noun. Here are some common nouns and proper nouns listed on your screen. Man. Man is a common noun because here we are not specific about any person. Whereas when we are saying Victor, it means we are telling about a specific person naming Victor. Same with mountain. Mountain is a common noun whereas the specific name for a mountain written on right side is a proper noun, Mount Kilimanjaro. Kindly pause the video and read all the common nouns and the proper nouns given for them. Now the next is material noun. It is the name of metal or substance of which things are made of. Example, silver, iron, wood. We can say the material nouns are the raw materials which we can use to make different things. Now, the next kind of noun is a collective noun. What is a collective noun? It is a word that names a group of people, animals, or things. So, here we have 3 birds given. So, do you know what is a group of birds called? Very good, you all are correct. A group of birds is called flock or flight. Similarly, a group of caterpillars is called an army. Now, the next and last kind of noun is abstract noun. An abstract noun is something you cannot detect with the 5 senses you have. It is usually the name of a quality, action, idea, or state. Here are some examples of abstract nouns: love, friendship, happiness, peace, responsibility, fear. These are the things which you cannot detect with the 5 senses you have. These are the feelings which we can feel. Now you can see a sentence on your screen. Raghav, an honest man, leads the army with honesty. Raghav. Raghav is a name of particular person. So here it is proper noun. Man. It is a common noun because here we are not specific about any person. Army. Army is a collective noun used for group of people. Honesty. Honesty is a feeling. Hence it is an abstract noun. Nouns can be classified into 2 types: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns which we can count. Countable nouns can be presented in both the singular and the plural forms. Sometimes it can be represented by a number. If we talk about eggs, these are countables as we can count them in numbers, but the sugar, the salt and the honey is not countable. Uncountable nouns are the nouns which we cannot count. You can see on your screen. Kindly pause the video and read aloud all these countables and uncountables nouns. Now the time to test how much you have learned. Which kind of noun is a pilot? Very nice. It is a common noun as name is not specified for the pilot. Which kind of noun is India Gate? Yes, it is a proper noun as it is a name of specific place. Which kind of noun is Africa? Yes, it is a proper noun as it is a name of a specific country. Which kind of noun is happiness? You can see a happy person, but not the happiness within him or her. Happiness is only a feeling which a person feels. It is an abstract noun. Thank you.